In today's world, you need an impactful social presence if you own a business. What's social media marketing all about? Let's break it down. Your customers are already spending time on Facebook and Instagram. By leveraging these platforms, you can connect with your audience, strengthen your brand, and drive traffic to your website. But why exactly do you need a social media presence? Here's the thing. Around 80% of consumers, that's 1 billion people a week, engage with brands through Facebook and Instagram. By being present on these platforms, you have the opportunity to directly connect and build relationships with your customers. Think of it as word-of-mouth marketing, but online. Facebook can provide a valuable communication channel, and your social presence can nurture loyalty, generate leads, and create stronger connections with your customers. Here's another important point. Your social activity actually affects your overall online presence and reputation. Search engines like Google consider your social presence when determining if your business is reputable. By establishing a trustworthy and engaging presence, you build credibility with Google and with potential customers. Did you know that 53% of people are more likely to buy from a brand they can message on Facebook? It's true. At Autoshop Solutions, we understand the power of social media marketing. That's why we tailor-make content for the automotive industry, designed to showcase your shop's expertise and attract your desired audience. We encourage you to post your own content too. Ready to make waves on social media? Contact us today and start connecting, engaging, and hanging out with your audience. It's time to take your online presence to the next level.